देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे, करता साया तेरा हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
Club and Drishti, it's my privilege to welcome all of you to this wonderful evening. I hope all of you are already having fun. You had some wonderful appetizers. Today evening, we have a very special program for you. And we are very proud that we have collaborated with the Gujarat Cultural Association. I would like to thank Mr. Kanti Patel and his whole team for giving us this opportunity of working with them and presenting something special to you. So before we go to that interesting part of the program, we have some business to be conducted here, and to take this program forward, may I invite on stage the compere of this evening, the beautiful daughter of Kanti Bhai, Hetal Patel, to come and take this program forward. Hetal.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gujarat Culture Association's annual Diwali celebration. Thank you for celebrating one of our major festivals, which spiritually signifies good over evil, light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, hope over despair. Also, it does help that we have really good food and great company tonight. Gujarat Cultural Association wishes all of you great health, wealth, and prosperity for the upcoming year. Without further ado, I would like everybody to stand for the Indian and American national anthems.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and
दीनायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंग
तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I would like the following people to come up on stage so we could light the divo or the lamp so we could start our program. If our chief guest for the evening, Mr. Deepak Vyas, Ms. Toni Preckwinkle, Cook County Board President, Kanti Patel, GCA Chairman, and Mr. Jotendra Patel, Now I would like Mr. Bilal Patel to come up on stage to introduce our chief guest for the evening, Mr. Deepak Vyas.
Suresh Bodiwala told me to speak slow motion, so I'm going to speak slow. Deepakant Vyas is a global enterprise businessman. He's a chairman and CEO of Redberry Corporation, and he developed a global business in software, medical education, alternative medicine, and real estate. Many of you also know that he has a nice property in Sandwich, Illinois, which we had a yoga last in the last few months ago. His headquarters is in St. Louis. Kanti Patel asked me that we need a chief guest, Deepak Bhai. So I called him. He was busy, but he being a Gujarati, he loved to come here. So in busy schedule, he come here. So welcome Deepak Vyas.
Very good evening. Bilal Bhai, thank you for the kind words. Kanti Bhai, thank you for your invitation. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to stand between you and the fine food being served, but I do bring you all the warm wishes for Diwali. And I pray God for the prosperity and lots of happiness. It's rightly said, Diwali just is not Diwali for Indians, but now it brings brightness across the world. What matters is our unity of mind and heart, which brings all of us together to enjoy this beautiful culture and traditions which we are all bestowed with. At the same time, I pray God to give you all the best wishes and happiness. Thank you so much.
Now I would like Dr. Manish Brahmbhatt to come up and introduce Ms. Toni Preckwinkle.
Happy Diwali to everybody. I know everybody knows Toni Preckwinkle, but few things I want to tell. Number one is she's a teacher. Lifelong she taught lots and lots of students of city of Chicago. Number two, I'll say, which Dr. Ram Raju, who was CEO of the Cook County Hospital and now president of the New York Health System, his words, Toni is not a politician. She's like us. She cares deeply about the people of Cook County. And thanks to her effort, a lot of people in Cook County has County Care, which is a Affordable Care Act, quote unquote Obamacare. She put lot and lots of night to put that Obamacare go through the Cook County. Thank you, Toni. All the Cook County people really appreciate that. And it's my pleasure to introduce Toni Preckwinkle.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor, and good evening, everyone. I want to begin by thanking Niranjan Shaw for inviting me today. You know, I think that the United States and India have a great deal in common. They're very diverse countries, and my understanding, I was talking to one of my seatmates, I think we have 29 official languages in India and 28 states. I think that's close. And India, of course, is the largest democracy in the world. So our forms of government, although we're thousands and thousands of miles apart, our forms of government are the same. I am particularly indebted to Gujarati. Many of you know that Martin Luther King, who is, of course, a member of my tribe, took his inspiration from Gandhi and Gandhi's work. And so I've always felt a connection to Gandhi and the nonviolent resistance movement that he fostered in India, which led to Indian independence, because he was so much a mentor and an inspiration to Martin Luther King. I'm pleased to be part of this Diwali celebration, and I want to thank you very much for inviting me. I hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you so much.
Our recipient for this year's Outstanding Business Leadership Award goes to Mr. Pratik and Nick Trivedi. And will their parents please join them, Mr. and Mrs. Jan and Uma Trivedi. In recognition of their exemplary contribution to the Indian American community and for his outstanding business leadership and hospitality industry, Mr. Pratik and Nick Trivedi will be receiving the award. Yeah. John, Uncle, Uma, Auntie, we'd like you to this one.
I'll see if I can find the right person. What tier are you at? Oh, we're at 7. Okay, I'll see if I can find it. Oh, thanks so much.
Our next award is for Distinguished Business Excellence Award, in which the recipient is Mr. Jotendra Patel. In recognition of his outstanding accomplishments in mortgage and banking industry and for his deep commitment to the Indian community. Our final award for the evening is for Distinguished Community Service. And the recipient for this award is Mr. Bilal Patel. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to the Indian American community and for his leadership in advancing the causes of the Indian community. Yeah, the flower cups, right? They're gonna stay. Oh, they're gonna stay. Are you gonna say? Yeah. Okay.
Hello. I'd like to introduce a few community leaders and business people. First of all, I'd like to invite Mr. Mapat Patel, is a king of Chicago in the Indian grocery store. Mapat Patel, please come forward. I'd like to say Mapat Patel. Say a few words, Mapat Bhai.
Good evening. Good evening. We're happy to see you, everybody here. I'm so happy to see Kanti Bhai's growth, Kanti Bhai, whatever he's doing right now. This Gujarat Culture Association is one of the oldest association of the Gujarat, US. And we are proud of Kanti Bhai and his group. We happy Diwali and happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, Mapat Bhai. Stay here. I'd like to invite the Air India manager, Mr. Nakul Singh Chand. Please come forward. Mr. Nakul Chand, everybody knows he's our manager in the Midwest, and he always supporting to our Indian community. Mr. Nakul Chand Singh, thank you. Yes. Take the flower. Yeah, closer. Okay. I'd like to invite Mr. Anil Shah, it's World Money Exchange. This guy supporting this association last more than 15 years. Thank you, Anil Bhai. Yeah. Gita Ben. Gita Ben. I'd like to invite the President of Federation of Indian Association, Mr. Minhaj Akhtar. Please come forward. Minhas is the president of Federation of Indian Association. Now, very soon he's going to retire maybe.
Everybody stay forward. Don't move back.
It's the last, but not in the list. Our Shamberg Township Trustee, Mr. Nimesh Jani.
Thank you, Peter. Jai Swami. બેટા બોલો બોલો જસ્ટ એક મિનિટ ઉપર પેલા દાદાની સામે જો થેન્ક યુ
One more. Kalpesh Joshi. He is the director of AHOA in the Midwest region. Mr. Kalpesh Joshi. I would request Mr. Nakul Chand say a few words.
Thank you, Kanti Bhai. On behalf of Air India, we'd like to wish everybody Happy Diwali and a Happy New Year. We'd also like to share that on 15th October this year, Air India completed 84 years of existence. We were founded in 1932, and from 21st November this month, we are going to have now 6 flights non-stop from San Francisco to Delhi. So it's a moment of celebration. We look forward to welcoming you on board, and we also have very special fairs going on right now. So please contact your local travel agent for getting the best on Air India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chand. I'd like to tell Mr. our FIA President say a few remarks.
Hi everyone, good evening, and I want to congratulate Happy Diwali to everyone. I want to thank the chief guest, Dr. Deepak Kant Vyas, and President Tony Perkwinkle, and Mufat Patel, and all our community leaders, especially Kanti S. Patel. He is the backbone of all the other organizations that we all witness, all these diverse community that gathered here. This is the celebration of lights. It's called Diwali. Thank you so much.
I will request Mr. Joshi, is the director of AHOA and the Midwest region.
Thank you, Kanti Bhai. Thank you, President Perkwinkle, and my fellow friends. AHOA is the biggest business organization in the United States out of India. We have 16,000 plus members. We basically own every other hotel in the United States.
Half of them.
Half. 50% of United States hotels owned by Indian origin. It's a great organization, and this year I would like to share one more thing, that we raised $1 million mark in a PAC fund, which is a 2-year cycle, and we achieved that goal. It's a very prestigious, and if you have a hotelier friend, if you have any friend who is in a business, please ask them to join, and we can do great things for them. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kanti Bhai.
The last one, I like to give the microphone to our Shamberg Township trustee, Mr. Nimesh Jani.
Jai Swaminarayan, Happy Diwali, Happy New Year. It's always fun to be in any events when Kanti Bhai arranges. It's always fun. I feel like always at my home. So congratulations, Kanti Bhai. I see the sea of people here today. And where is Madan? Congratulations, Madan. Thank you for bringing such a great musical evening for entertaining. One more quick note. Many people, they know that after I was elected as the township trustee, at the moment, I am the largest elected official, Indian elected official in a state of Illinois, provided Raja Krishnamurthy will be sworn in January. So my request to anybody and everybody, please join in politics, get involved at grassroots level or any other level. If I can be helpful, please let me know. We have one more trustee. Unfortunately, she couldn't be here today, Dr. Hina Patel from South Barrington. And I am very optimistic to have another grassroots level candidate soon enough. Thank you very much.
And for our finale, I would like to introduce Mr. Shireen Mehta to give the vote of thanks. Shireen, Uncle.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gujarat Culture Association's Diwali dinner. Gujarat Culture Association is the original and has a long history. The association is completing almost its 40 years this year. As most of you know, I'm Shireen Mehta, the secretary of the association, and I would like to report that the association is doing great, and with the kind support of all strong supporters just like you all. So to give joy, happiness to the wonderful people of Chicagoland, I would like to appreciate and thank all our members and supporters who have been supporting us for all these years. But our chairman does deserve to be recognized and complimented for keeping it strong and healthy even after all these years. So let me introduce you once again, Mr. Kanti Patel, our chairman, Mr. Girish Patel, our president, Dr. Manish Brahmbhatt, our vice president, Mr. Himang Patel, our joint secretary, who is not here right now probably, Mr. Dinesh Patel, our treasurer, Mr. Kanu Parekh, our cultural secretary, Mrs. Geeta Bhatt, the joint cultural secretary, and our board members, Mr. Jyotinder Patel and Mr. Yogi Patel. I think Mr. Yogi Patel is not here as he's sick right now. Well, there is a saying that behind every man, there has to be some beautiful woman's hand for the support. And so let me introduce to you all our backbones. Mrs. Jyoti Patel, wife of Mr. Kanti Patel. My wife, Mrs. Daksha Mehta. Mrs. Geeta Patel, wife of Mr. Dinesh Patel. Mrs. Geeta Patel, wife of Mr. Jyotindra Patel. And Mrs. Ansuya Patel. Let me also thank our chief guest, Mr. Deepak Kant Vyas, for being here. And thank you all for joining us tonight. I would like to thank all for their monetary and moral support to the organization. Mr. Mafatbhai Patel of Patel Brothers, Dr. Panna and Bharat Barai, Air India, and Nita Ben. Also like to thank Chicago Import, Batteries and Things, and Jyotinder Patel JP, Dr. Indrajit Patel and family, and Trivedi Hospitality, owners of Fairfield and Town Place by Marriott, Super 8, Quality Inn, and Comfort Inn by O'Hare. Gulzar Singh of Panasonic. Well, the list does not end if I come up with more names, but time is of essence, and I would like to once again thank all the advertisers and the media of their support over the years. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to thank our supporters. I wish you all a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope everybody's enjoying their evening and ready to enjoy the rest of their evening with a beautiful musical program. So if Mr. Madan Bhai could come up on stage so we could start our musical evening for tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing here? Is the dinner over? Desserts? Was the food good? Okay. Give us 5 minutes and we'll be ready to start. So if any of you are up and about, please settle down.
He's okay.
We have a beautiful lobby where you can take a lot of pictures. So may I please request everybody to settle down, finish up your desserts. In 5 minutes, you'll see some fantastic artists up on stage, taking you on a ride with the most famous composing duo of the Indian film industry, in the history of the Indian film industry, Shankar Jaikishan. Now let me tell you something about Shankar Jaikishan. Shankar Jaikishan, whenever they were signed up for a movie, they were signed up first before any star or before any actors were signed up. Because Shankar Jaikishan giving music for a movie meant an instant hit. So you all know all those movies which Shankar Jaikishan gave music for and how big those songs are today, even today. So ladies and gentlemen, please sit tight, finish up your desserts. We'll be up on stage shortly. Birju, are we ready? The Meadows Club staff, in the next 5 minutes, please clear up the tables. If you want to grab a drink, please grab a drink, because I don't think you'll have time to get up and go outside because you'll miss something spectacular. Thank you. It's been wonderful hosting all of you. Give us 5 minutes and we'll be ready to begin with Zindagi Ek Safar, the essence of Shankar Jaikishan. Thank you. Also welcome on stage one of the finest theater directors in India today, who has directed many a landmark play, television shows, movies. And we are very hopeful that we are going to have him and his cast here next year performing some of his memorable plays. Please welcome on stage Mr. Salim Arif, the host of today evening's program. And now, let me hand over the proceedings to the director of today evening's event, one of the most popular men here in the Meadows Club, Mr. Milind Oak of Niche Entertainment.
Thank you. Yes.
There's nothing happening on the center one? There's nothing happening on the center.
Salim buys mics not on. Let me turn it up.
Turn it on.
Yes. That okay? Yep.
जिंदगी एक सफर, द एसेंस ऑफ शंकर जयकिशन में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
बेकली कुछ तो कम हो, फिर से मुस्कुरा तो दे ओ बेरहम। वो तो कोई और थी जो आंखों से समा गई दिल में, वो तो कोई और थी जो आंखों से समा गई दिल में।
ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 an evening in Paris। आज ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 an evening in Paris। आशिक निराले ढूंढो यहाँ तुम भी साथी, मिल जाएंगे हुस्न वाले। हाथों में हाथों को डाले फिरते हैं आशिक निराले। ढूंढो यहाँ तुम भी साथी, मिल जाएंगे हुस्न वाले। आज ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 an evening in Paris, an evening in Paris।
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे युडले युडले यो, 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 युडले युडले यो। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, अरे आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। युडले युडले यो, 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 युडले युडले यो।
सरज़मीने हिंद पर अक़वाम आलम के फ़िराक़, सरज़मीने हिंद पर अक़वाम आलम के फ़िराक़, काफ़िले बनते गए हिंदुस्तान बनता गया। और वो हिंदुस्तान जो बरसों की तहज़ीब से एक नई चेतना लेकर जागृत हो रहा था 20वीं सदी में, वो हिंदुस्तान बिलाखिर 1947 में अंग्रेज़ों से आज़ाद हुआ, मगर आज़ादी के साथ बंटवारा भी हुआ। बंटवारे का दुख आज़ादी में थोड़ा सा धब्बा मार गया था। जैसा फैज़ ने कहा था, ये दाग दाग उजाला ये शब गजीदा शहर था, इंतज़ार जिसका ये वो शहर तो नहीं। मगर फिर एक नए हिंदुस्तान को नए सिरे से बनाने की जद्दोजहद मुहिम शुरू हुई। पंडित नेहरू, सरदार पटेल, मौलाना आज़ाद जैसे लीडर्स के साथ हिंदुस्तान एक नए रूप में सजने के लिए तैयार था। एक नई 20वीं सदी का हिंदुस्तान, उसको बनाने के लिए सब तरफ जद्दोजहद चल रही थी। और जाहिर है कि ये हमारी हिंदी फिल्मों में भी आनी थी। और यही वो वक्त था जब 22-23 साल से लेकर कुछ 26-27 साल की उम्र के नौजवान एक साथ मिले और उन्होंने हिंदी सिनेमा में एक नई चेतना जागृत की। ये वो नौजवान थे जिन्हें कुछ कर दिखाने का, कुछ नया करने का जोश था। और इन्होंने बंटवारे के जख्म को भुलाते हुए नए हिंदुस्तान को नए ख्वाब देखने का मौके दिए। ये वो थे जिन्होंने आने वाले हिंदुस्तान के लिए नई आशाएं, नई आकांक्षाएं, नए ख्वाब बुने। जैसा किसी शायर ने कहा है, मुझे सहल हो गई मंजिलें, वो हवा के रुख भी बदल गए। मुझे सहल हो गई मंजिलें, वो हवा के रुख भी बदल गए। तेरा हाथ हाथ में आ गया तो चिराग राह में जल गए।
आजा।
जिंदगी की ये चिता में जिंदा जल रहा हूँ हाय, सांस के ये आग के ये तीर चीरते हैं आर पार आर पार। मुझको ये न रखना चाहिए, मुझको प्रीत मुझको भूल मुझको प्रीत चाहिए, मुझको चाहिए बाहर मुझको चाहिए बाहर, मुझको चाहिए बाहर मुझको चाहिए बाहर।
पूरी शंकर मिश्र के साथ 35-40 साल से काम किया मैंने, ऐसी रिकॉर्डिंग हुई नहीं। वो सुबह 9 बजे रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू हुई और दूसरे दिन सुबह 6 बजे रिकॉर्डिंग खत्म हुई। उसमें कम से कम 150 म्यूजिशियन थे और 40-50 क्वायर थे, यानी कोरस गाने वाले लड़के लड़कियां। वो रिकॉर्ड करते गए, पार्ट 1 बाय 2 बाय ऐसे करते गए। तो रात को 12 बजे घर आया मेरा परदेसी, इसका टर्न आया। तो चलते चलते राज साहब के दिमाग में कुछ आया पता नहीं, वो बोले जरा ठहर जाओ, कहने लगे मेरे को रिदम इसमें जम नहीं रहा है, कुछ रिदम कुछ और करो, इसके अंदर कुछ जम नहीं रहा है। तो वो लोग भी सोचने लगे। ऐसा करते करते बाजू में एक आदमी था सुमन करके, जो फ्लूट बजाता है, अच्छा फ्लूट बजाता था उस समय। तो वो ये बात सुन रहा था, जब ये बात इनकी चल रही रिदम नहीं जम रहा है ऐसा, तो उसने फौरन मुंह डाल दिया। कहने लगा साहब एक रिदम वाला बहुत अच्छा आया है, पुणे से लाला बोस का नाम है, उसको बुलाओ क्या। आधा घंटे में वो लेके आया। तो मैं उसको देख के मैं पहले हैरान हो गया, मैं डर गया। बोले इतना भील जैसा आदमी ये कौन है। उसके बाद उसने ढोलकी मिलाई और ढोलकी सफेद 6 में मिलती है, वो मिलाई। उसके बाद जो थाप मारा तो मैंने बोला वाह लाला बाबू क्या बात है।
1947 में हिंदुस्तान के आज़ाद होने से पहले कुछ ऐसी घटनाएं हुई थीं जिन्होंने नए हिंदुस्तान को बनाने में बहुत मदद की। 1936 में मुंशी प्रेमचंद की देखरेख में प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन का भारत में एक पहली मीटिंग हुई, उसकी तश्कील हुई, सारे लेखक उसमें जमा हुए, जैसे ख्वाजा अहमद अब्बास, अली सरदार जाफरी जैसे लोग उसमें शामिल थे। ख्वाजा अहमद अब्बास और शैलेंद्र प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन से जुड़े हुए थे। उसके बाद 1939 में 1939-40 में उदय शंकर जो जाने माने मॉडर्न इंडियन डांसर थे, उनका अल्मोड़ा में स्कूल खुला, जहां पंडित रविशंकर जैसे लोग उसमें शामिल थे। गुरुदत्त जो बाद में बतौर डायरेक्टर बहुत नाम कमा पाए, वो उसमें थे। उजरा भट्ट, जोरा सहगल ऐसे लोग उसमें शामिल थे। ये लोग भी आगे जाकर मॉडर्न इंडियन परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करने वाले थे। और 1942 में इंडियन पीपल्स थिएटर एसोसिएशन यानी इप्टा का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, जिसमें से बहुत सारे कलाकार नए आइडियाज़ के साथ मंच पर हमारे सामने आए। और उससे बड़ी बात, 1945 में पृथ्वीराज कपूर ने अपना पृथ्वी थिएटर्स कायम किया। पृथ्वी थिएटर एक ऐसी जगह थी जहां पूरे हिंदुस्तान में मुख्तलिफ इलाकों से आए हुए कलाकार एक छत के नीचे काम करते थे। उसमें डांसर्स भी थे, म्यूजिशियंस भी थे, एक्टर्स भी थे, राइटर्स भी थे, नॉवलिस्ट भी थे। इंदरराज आनंद जैसे लेखक उससे जुड़े हुए थे। दूसरी तरफ राम गांगुली जैसे म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर थे। वहीं पर शंकर रघुवंशी जी यानी शंकर जयकिशन वाले शंकर तबला वादक थे। वो प्लेज में म्यूजिक में शामिल होते थे और उसमें रोल भी करते थे। पठान जैसे नाटकों में उन्होंने अभिनय भी किया था। और एक दिन इनकी मुलाकात हुई जयकिशन से, जो एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर के पास बतौर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ब्रेक मांगने गए हुए थे। 19-20 साल का नौजवान लड़का हारमोनियम बहुत अच्छा बजाता था। शंकर जी उसे अपने साथ पृथ्वी थिएटर ले आए और पृथ्वी थिएटर में बतौर म्यूजिशियन उनको अपने साथ जोड़ लिया। पृथ्वीराज कपूर को पता नहीं था, लेकिन जब पृथ्वीराज जी ने उनका हारमोनियम सुना तो बहुत खुशी से उनको पृथ्वी थिएटर में शामिल कर लिया। पृथ्वीराज कपूर के बेटे राज कपूर, जो पृथ्वी थिएटर्स में बतौर आर्ट डायरेक्टर काम करते थे, एक्टर भी काम करते थे, अपनी पहली फिल्म आग बना चुके थे। और आग फिल्म सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से बिल्कुल नई सोच वाली फिल्म थी, हालांकि वो बहुत कामयाब नहीं हुई थी। उसमें राम गांगुली साहब म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर थे। जब राज कपूर अपनी दूसरी फिल्म बरसात प्लान कर रहे थे, उसको लिखा था रामानंद सागर ने, जो बाद में खुद एक फिल्म मेकर के तौर पर जाने गए। तो उनका और राम गांगुली जी का थोड़ा सा मतभेद हुआ, इख्तिलाफ हुआ। राज कपूर साहब चाहते थे कि शंकर जी का नाम बतौर असिस्टेंट क्रेडिट्स में राम गांगुली साहब के साथ आए, जो राम गांगुली साहब को पसंद नहीं था। तो राज कपूर ने तय किया कि शंकर को वो बतौर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ब्रेक देंगे। और जब ये बात उन्होंने शंकर से कही तो शंकर ने राज कपूर से कहा क्यों ना इसमें जयकिशन को भी अपने साथ ले लें। और इस तरह पहली बार शंकर जयकिशन की जोड़ी बतौर